Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a journal with me process. I'm going to be creating a spread about one of our cats because I realised that I only have one spread in this journal that documents the pair of them. The cat I'm documenting today is Starbuck. We also have Costa, but he spends most of his time sleeping. SB is the fun one to photograph as he's always doing the most unusual things. I have a bunch of photos I'd like to add on these pages and some cat washi tape that was on some packaging. I also picked out some random bits and pieces that I thought might work well too. So I'm just starting by playing around with everything, seeing how I can fit all of these photos on these two pages and how I can incorporate some of the other bits and pieces as well. Our cats are a huge part of our family and we love them dearly, so I really wanted to add some more photos of them into this journal. They are getting pretty old as they will be 12 in May this year. After playing around with everything for a little bit, I felt like the page was missing something, so I picked out this piece of scrapbook paper. It's just a scrap I had in one of my boxes, and I thought that maybe I could add the photos to this and have it as like a little flip out page. This paper is from Crate Paper or Maggie Holmes. I'm not sure which collection it's from. So I decided to trim it down a little bit because it was a bit too big, so I'm just figuring out now how I can work this into the page. I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to add all of my photos or whether one would have to go on that tea-dyed paper. I decided to trim all of my photos down just a little bit because they are all pretty much the same photo. It's a picture of Starbuck sat in front of our freezer watching it defrost. He has a thing about water, he loves watching all the drips, and he was sat there for ages, and I just thought it was really fascinating to see him just sitting there watching it. So I'm really glad I managed to get these photos because I just think it's a really odd thing for a cat to do. So I'm using double-sided tape on all of my photos in this journaling session. And then to attach it onto the page, I'm using my Tombow Mono Multi Glue. It's basically just a tacky glue, and this works really well for scrapbook paper. And I'm not sure if I mentioned, but the paper I'm sticking it onto is tea-dyed paper, so it's a little bit crinkly. So I'm just pressing really firmly and making sure that's stuck down properly. So this washi tape was a little bit too big for the page, so I had to trim it down. I think I got this washi tape on a UK shop order. I just don't remember where from, and I really wanted to keep it because it had cats on it. And I'm going to be trimming it down so that the cat that is featured on this washi is the cat that is on a shooting star, I think. I thought it fitted perfectly because the cat I'm documenting is Starbuck. I thought this journaling card fitted really well in this corner. I'm not 100% sure where I got it from, but it wouldn't surprise me if it's from the brand Crate Paper. And I thought it would make a really good pocket for one of the photos. And I'm also going to do some journaling on top of it. So I'm just using my Tim Holtz tiny attacher to staple it down onto the page. So So this photo is a picture of Starbuck in our kitchen sink. He fits really well in there, and for some reason he really likes it. And the photo that was behind the journaling card is him actually trying to drink from the tap. It's really disgusting, but we try and stop him and it doesn't work. So I've just pulled out my tin here and I'm trying to find some sort of paper that I can journal on top of. So I'm trying to find some sort of index card, something like that. So I tried a couple of different pieces. I had a dark brown one, a yellow one and a white cream coloured one, and I felt like the white cream coloured one went better, but I do need to trim it down a little bit. I also used double-sided tape on the back of these washi strips because the back of the packaging was quite silky and shiny, and I didn't think a glue stick would work very well. So I'm just playing around with the other bits and pieces I wanted to try and include on this spread, and I don't end up using that floral envelope with the cat sticker because I just didn't feel like it worked on this page, but I do end up using that alphabet playing card, and I'm just going to staple that down on top of the flip out page and it will just act as a little tab. I didn't have room on this spread for the letter B, so I just stuck Starbucks first letter down on this page. And now I'm just using these gold alphabet stickers to spell out Starbucks' name. I can't remember which collection these were from, but it is either one of the Crepe Paper or Maggie Holmes collections. I'm going to add some journaling on this card a little bit later. And as you can see, I've done my journaling off camera, so I've written on top of the journaling card in the corner and also the index card that's in the pocket. And I've also pulled out some more stickers. Again, these are Crepe Paper or Maggie Holmes. I think it was the Heritage collection, I think. And I'm just going to tie in a bit more of those gold alphabet stickers by adding some gold onto this page, and I thought the photo corners just added a bit of decoration to that page. And then there was this weird gap between the index card and the scrapbook paper, and I don't know, I just wanted to fill that space. So I found this banner sticker that I thought worked really well. And I'm just going through one of the Maggie Holmes sticker books and writing a date on one of the stickers. I've pulled out some cat stickers, and I got these from a shop called Art Box, which is in Covent Garden in London. I'm not sure if they have a shop anywhere else in the UK, but I think the brand of stickers is called Mindwave, and I like these 3 little cat stickers, and I just added them as a little bit of decoration on top of the journaling card. And now I'm going in with just a little bit of washi tape for a bit of decoration. I think this washi tape was one of the Crepe Paper brands. And now I've pulled out some more stickers. These are from Crepe Paper Magical Forest, I think. And I'm just going to add some star stickers because it wouldn't be a page about Starbuck without adding some stars. We do actually call him Star on occasion, along with many other nicknames, and I am thinking that maybe on the back of that journaling card I might add some of his nicknames. but I'll probably do that at a later date. And these are the finished pages. I love how these pages turned out, and I'm really happy I've been able to document more of Starbuck in my journal and show what a character he is. This may be the last journaling process in this journal, or there may be one more. I'm not entirely sure, but it is getting full, and I need to make myself a new journal as well. Let me know down in the comments if you have a pet and if you document them in your journal. But if not, I hope this still gave you some inspiration. I hope you're all doing really well. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.